so much for tuning in and coming back. In this video, we're actually going to be putting up some wallpaper on this wall here. I'm super excited about it. If you know me, you know I love wallpaper, tile, anything that goes on walls. Honestly, it just gets me way too excited. So this is a project that I've been waiting to do forever, and just honestly just trying to find the perfect wallpaper for this wall. I actually got this one off of Amazon. It was like about $8 per roll, so we have about like 5 rolls here. So we're gonna be putting these up here today. So don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on this journey. And before we get started, since honestly every single time I do a video, my boyfriend is here to help me, and we both know I can't get this on the wall by myself because I'm not that talented. I'm just gonna go ahead and introduce you guys to him, let him come on and show his face so you guys can stop just saying his random hands in the picture and not know who he is. So babe, come here.
Hello. I didn't know you were gonna have me come out yet, so.
Oh, were you not ready?
No, I thought I was just gonna be hanging the wallpaper and you could see my back the whole time, but I guess not.
No, you're actually gonna be here. So thank you for coming. Thank you for showing
That was an
up.
awkward. I'm going back behind the camera now.
You know I'm awkward, but okay. Well, now you guys have seen him. Now you know who he is. He didn't say what his name was, but his name is Hayden. And
That's supposed to remain a secret.
Oh, my bad. Okay, never mind. You didn't hear his name. It's not Hayden. It's Karen. Yes, your name is Karen. No, I'm just kidding. But anyway, before I make this any more awkward than it needs to be, let's hop into this wallpaper and try not to hurt ourselves or kill ourselves. Alright, so we're gonna start applying this to the wall here. We're gonna actually start on this wall right here because we thought it was the easiest. And I know what you guys are probably thinking. There's a TV there. How are you gonna do that wall?
We're not.
You see, we're just gonna kind of ghetto it. So we'll know that it's not completely on that part of the wall, but others won't unless you watch our video. So like and subscribe. Don't look at me like that, okay? Just start putting the wallpaper on the wall.
Shouldn't we clean the wall first?
Is that a thing?
Probably should be. This is adhesive.
You just like put it on.
Get a rag. We're cleaning the wall.
We are cleaning the wall. Where's the rag?
It's not the wall.
Okay. Alright, so like we said before we left, we are going to clean the wall. Off camera, we actually figured out that to apply wallpaper, the easiest thing to do with like the light switches and stuff is to actually take them off. So as you can see, Hayden took these off here. We are going to definitely try and be safe and not touch any of the wiring there, anything like that. It just makes it easier to cut out around the wallpaper there. So I'm actually going to get up on a stool, and you'll just see me like wiping off the wall too, just to make sure we don't have any dust, cobwebs, stuff like that. And Hayden's just gonna continue going around taking out all of the coverings for like our wirings and connections. So yeah. So now that we have finished cleaning the wall, we really just kind of went over it with like a damp rag, making sure to get all like the dust and the cobwebs. We're gonna start over on this part of the wall right here, like one strip. Don't beat it. It was just like one strip, and just trying to make sure we get everything in line. So bear with us, pray for us. So one of the tools that Hayden will be using is this. It is a smoother. I actually just got it at Lowe's. Amazon actually has a not like super expensive one as well. It's like a kit thing. I think it like runs about like $6 to $7 there, but for time and just making sure that we were able to get everything on time, we just ran to Lowe's. It came in a pack and I believe it was like $4. So that was super simple. So I'm just gonna pull this up here. Looks like this is the smoother. Here is the thing that comes with it. So like that. Working my nerves, but I'm still alive.
For those of you watching at home, this is a procrastination station. So
No, it is not.
if you watched last episode, or last the last video with the Halloween DIYs, that was a procrastination video. This is also a procrastination video. This is procrastination personified right here.
Shut up. No.
Procrastination.
This is why I don't let him talk on this
personified.
channel. No, shut up. I didn't procrastinate on this that much. To the untrained eye, like if you're not really like looking for it, you don't really notice.
You definitely don't notice that somebody used to cover up these arrows here.
Yeah.
Like this.
I'm just arrested.
Yeah.
Just in case. Ow! He's working my nerves. Mean. Just in case you guys were counting, we had 5 rolls total. Now we have 2. 2. 2. That's the proper way to do it. So
Stop talking to your phone. We gotta put these on the wall.
he's working my nerves. Okay.
Check out more of us two interacting on our own channel.
What? This is not the segue for you to tell us.
Get my chair.
No! He's working my nerves. Stop it. Just do the thing. Do the thing.
I have a beating stick and I must use on the camera too.
Babe, we already did this on the camera, okay? Can you just finish? I'm hungry! I'm hungry!
I heard that guy on the camera.
Shame.
Oh.
Why? As you can see, it is the next day or next night that we are doing this here because of course we cannot finish everything in one day on this channel. It just doesn't happen. We've tried, doesn't work. So day 2, we actually ended up needing 2 more rolls, so I ordered these on Amazon. So if you were keeping count before, we started off with 5. I had 2 more, so that will be 7 there. These 2 are going to be for up here in the top. We'll show you that here in a second, as well as finishing up this side wall over here. So we're just gonna hop right in, get these finished off, and then of course show you guys the finished product. So this is the part that we had to finish. It's right above the TV, so it'll be fun. Also because there's this thing right up here. I don't know if you can see it past Hayden's ginormous head, but yeah, that thing is going to be a fun challenge as well. So we just finished putting up all of the wallpaper. It was definitely a feat, I would say. Would you say?
I would say.
Yeah, definitely wouldn't hire us to put up your wallpaper. We like it, but there's definitely some things that we know about that you guys don't in some certain areas that aren't so great. But overall, I would say that peel and stick wallpaper is very simple. If you can align all of the like little intricate parts right and do all of that part,
You're
then
better than us.
yeah, then you're golden. You're set. You'll be good. And like this wallpaper from Amazon, the adhesive was actually pretty good. I ended up liking it longer, like as long as it was up on the wall. He picked it originally, so if you don't like it, it's his fault. It is not my fault.
I don't pick anything in this household, so.
He picked it, so regardless of what he said,
How
like,
are you gonna believe?
anyway, so what I would say after everything we did and everything that we went over, if you're going to do peel and stick wallpaper, I would definitely make sure to have this smoother. And this actually wasn't bad. Like it came in a pack, so definitely like advise using some sort of like cutting device. But if you have like an X-Acto knife or something like that, that would honestly probably be better, because this thing kept like moving up and down when we were cutting. Yeah, it wasn't the best at all. And then if you can get a ruler, this actually came in handy. We figured this out like halfway through, and then we're like mad that we didn't do it sooner. So definitely advise using a ruler. It just makes everything simpler. You can like measure things out better, kind of understand where you need to cut, especially in certain areas. Can you stop reading that like it's the newspaper? Anyway, but with all of that being said, I think it turned out well. I definitely hope that you guys liked it and enjoyed it. Definitely don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you also enjoyed watching us be in the same vicinity as each other. it's a feat every time we're together. But thank you so much for watching, and thank you for always tuning in and watching our videos.